Okay, so we're gonna try to create a little bit of a drawing on here, and maybe one of the first things we need to do in helping to organize our paper so we get the pieces about the same size is I noticed that they have the X down here, you know, where the mirror is, but the height of the mirror where that X starts is about halfway, right? About halfway. And so I'm going to kind of guess about where halfway is, and I'm going to say it's about right there. And then when it comes across, it comes a little bit lower than a quarter. So I'm going to put that X in first, just so we have it here. And so if this is about the halfway point, let's say here, and the quarter way is, let's say, about here, and it's a little lower than that. So the X part here, which is going to help me in my organization, is going to go right here. And like I said, I'm going to draw it probably a little harder than I normally would, just so you can kind of see the lines. And so, and as we look at this one, these are pretty close to the same height. The one over here on the left might be a little bit higher, but definitely halfway between here and here on that one. And so I'm looking at the halfway point. I'm going to guess it's about right there. So from here to here to here, that's the halfway point. And then this X is going to be just a little bit higher. Not much. And so now we have the X on here. So we kind of know where that is. Now they have another, the back corner kind of goes up here like this, and you'll notice it's not the same angle as the front X. But I wanted to put that in there as well so we can kind of see what's going on. So I'm going to look at this piece here, and it kind of converges right about here. This is what we're going to say is the middle. And so we want this angle here, so these are not parallel. And so that X, I'm just going to hold this still. That spot kind of goes back over here somewhere. This one, I'm going to look at this one here, and these ones are pretty close to parallel. So this other piece here kind of goes back in the middle. And so this is the layout of our mirrors, right? And so the center of the mirror here, we're going to put the center of that one about there. And so that's going to be helpful for us on when we're trying to draw our peppers. So we have our background set in, and then right about in the middle, right here where this diamond part comes up, this is going to be a vertical line here. And so we're kind of setting the stage for where everything is. And so I'm going to put that vertical line here just so I know where it is, like that. Okay? So that's going to be my first thing. So that's here, here, and that one, and then this little part over here. We'll take a pause there so people can get caught up. Now you can freehand it. You can use a ruler. There are rulers in the back. In the drawer that's right under the one window. And so there's that first X.